Math 95, Quiz 4 topics. Graphing a linear inequality in the plane, vertical or horizontal line. The directions say graph each inequality in the coordinate plane. The first one is y is greater than or equal to -7. So we start by graphing the line y equals -7. That would be on our y-axis. We go down to the -7. And let's put a point there. And then we draw a straight line across, because this y equals -7 means that all the y values on this point are -7. So this would be the line y equals 7. And so our shading is for the inequality, the greater than part. So we want all y values that are greater than or equal to -7. So we would shade actually above this line on the plane. And so any point in this shaded area or on this line would be considered y is greater than or equal to -7. Our second example says y is less than 2. So again, we're on our y-axis. We go to 2, we put our point there, and we're going to draw a straight line across, because all of these y values would be 2. Actually, we're going to make a dotted line, because do you notice on this one, we're not actually equal to the 2, we're only doing values that are less than 2. So the dotted line shows that we're not including the values on that line. We're only including the values below. So here, all the pink shaded area would count as y is less than 2. Okay, our final example is 4 is less than x. If you see a number written first and then the inequality and the variable, it's usually easiest to think of that with the variable on the left-hand side. So let's rewrite this with the x on the left and the 4 on the right. And you notice that the x is on the open side of the inequality, so when we turn it around, the x still has to be on the open side. And so 4 is less than x means the same thing as x is greater than 4. This time we go to our x-axis, we go to 4, and we want to make a vertical line through x equals 4, except notice that this is greater than, so it'll be a dotted line. So we'll make a dotted line right there on x equals 4, and then we're going to shade everything to the right because we're looking for values that are greater than 4. So that would be the way we graph it.